Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this nice little simple install, very everyday-ish, but still you can dress it up. It's really cute, very Mycene dollish, very beachy, very summer vibes, very spring summer vibes. It's really cute. So if y'all want to see how I just simply laid this and my thoughts on this hair, then keep watching. So first of all, I just wanted to show y'all how the wig was constructed. It came really pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do too much plucking, but I still wanted to customize the front just to give it less of a uniform look. So I went in and did my typical prepping on my mannequin head. I just hot combed my edges just to get all the messiness and all the flyaways hair out the way, and then I went on and started plucking. I have so many plucking videos, and I say this in every one of my videos because there's always somebody new there. And I have so many plucking videos, and I have really good plucking videos, like super dedicated. So if you want to check those out, I have plenty on my channel, so make sure y'all go tune in. But right now, I'm just plucking, creating more of a scalp look. Your hairline is never fully full to where you don't really have baby hairs or maybe mini bald spots or something like that. So I just wanted it to look as natural as possible. So that's what I'm doing right now. Once I finish doing that, I'm just going to style it in my desired style, which is going to be a center part. And yeah, I'm just doing as much prepping as I can while it's on a mannequin head. So therefore, when I put it on my head, it'll be ready to go. And there will be less of a hassle because I don't have any flyaways in the way. I can just apply it with the glue, and there's no hair getting in the glue and stuff like that. If you know, when we first started doing frontals, it used to get so messy, but this is my main thing I like to do to prevent that, because nothing is more annoying than your glue drying and you got pieces of hair in it, because now you got to start all over. Oh my goodness. So we're working on this Beyonce looking wig, and I'm actually really excited to do this look because first of all, look at these highlights. These highlights are giving very Beyonce, very beachy, very vacationish, very Mycene doll. That's what it's giving. It's giving very Mycene doll, and I don't think I've done a curly wig like this. I've had a few curly wigs with streaks in it and stuff, and it's just really giving me so much life. On top of the fact that it's super soft, I'm just going by my initial observation or whatever the case may be, but this is really giving, and the highlights don't look machine made. You know, sometimes I don't even know if they can do that, but sometimes the highlights are super patchy, which, oh my goodness, I hate that. So they look really good, and I'm really excited for how this is gonna come out. And also on top of that, I think it's gonna complement my skin very well. So let's just get this wig on, see how it's gonna come out. And I don't know how I'm gonna style it yet either, but we'll get to that then. Let's just get this look on. Alright, y'all, so I did go off camera and wet my hair because I just felt like who wants to see this? Not that serious, but yeah, y'all, this wig looks so cute and natural. I really like this. I think the only thing I'm gonna do is probably like tweak this baby hair a little bit. I do want it to be close to perfect, but this is probably as close to perfect as I'm gonna get it. So this is how it's looking right now. And yeah, y'all, what y'all thinking of this look? It's cute. I hate when I wet hair and like it's curly and stuff and I gotta just, oh, I hate when it's wet and it's on my skin. It feels disgusting, but it looks good though. Let me give you a more review. This is how long it is. This is how it looks from the back. It looks really cute. And then I know when it dries it's gonna get a little bit bigger, but I'm okay with that because it's probably gonna look really cute. But anyways, yes, get into it. My scene. I love it. Anyways, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, in the comment section, because I'm actually really feeling this look and it's super cute to me. So yeah, super quick video.
So don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now.